Welcome to Zhineng Qigong Students Hub. In today's video, I'm going to give you a closer perspective on our website and all of the facilities we have to offer. Students Hub has been designed to help you find your local teachers, relevant workshops and trainings worldwide, as our aim is to support you in achieving your goals in health and well-being. Whether you are a newcomer or experienced with the practice, we are here to guide you through every step of your journey. I would also like to invite you to register for our free ebook called Suggestions on How to Improve the Practice of the Lift Chi Up and Pour Chi Down method from our Words of Wisdom series. Now, in this series, we publish a monthly ebook sharing knowledge and wisdom from well-known Zhineng Qigong teachers. So if you subscribe to our newsletter, you will gain access to these ebooks every month. If you want to know more, keep on watching this video. On our website, you will find detailed training videos on all of the major Zhineng Qigong exercises. Most of our training videos come with subtitles in multiple languages such as French, Dutch, German, Spanish, and detailed subtitles in English. Our global events calendar will keep you updated on the latest public events and workshops hosted by our Zhineng Qigong teachers worldwide. In our resource center, you will find a lot more information on all of the websites and connection points related to Zhineng Qigong Students Hub. Our teachers directory is designed to help you locate your nearest Zhineng Qigong teacher. You are able to locate a teacher by your preferred region and language. Once you are registered to our newsletter, which you can do by going onto our homepage, you will finally have access to a monthly gift. For the first 3 days after we publish a new ebook in the Words of Wisdom series, we allow our subscribers to download it completely free of charge before we move it to our online store for other people to purchase. Now go and get your free ebook on how to improve the practice of the Lift Chi Up and Pour Chi Down method. Thank you very much for spending your time with me today, and if you have any questions, please contact us directly on our Students Hub website. Also, if you would like to stay up to date with our latest features and content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, until next time.